tightening order is 1. What's up guys? In the last video, I showed you how to change the primary chain case oil. And now, since I'm already at it, I'm going ahead and show you the procedure of removal and installation of the primary chain case cover. In various situations, you do have to open this up sometimes, like to check the chain inside or clutch plates. So, let's get started. When you're installing the primary cover, there is a specific mounting order for these bolts. But when you're removing this cover, there is no specific order. However, you may want to make sure that you keep track of these bolts because some of these bolts are longer than the others. Like these ones in front, they are longer than these ones on the rear. So here it is. Everything's looking very good, very clean. The chain's looking good. There's no wear or anything. So is the chain tensioner. So what I'm going to do now is going ahead and replace the gasket and then place the cover back on. Okay, so here's a new gasket, nice and clean, and let's place some of these bolts on the primary cover and the gasket like that, and loosely fit this on the bike. Like that, and then just place them snugly, and then I will do the final tightening in order. Try using the Loctite 243 on these bolts too. The tightening torque here is 12 to 13 foot-pounds of torque. That's roughly about 16 to 17 Newton meters. But before doing that, let's make sure that you know the tightening order of these bolts. Okay, so the tightening order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, so here is 1, the first one. Alright, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the last one, 13. That's it. All I gotta do now is to fill in the oil, put this derby cover on, and then it's all good to go. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.